The idea of this video came from me wanting to showcase a little of my latest vitalbank, and also I'm trying to make a new video for each bank I release in order to give a more in-depth look into the sounds I made and how I pretend people use them in the tracks. So I made this quick kick and bass draft for the only purpose of testing some of these sounds, and some of these presets. But what preset bank am I talking about? Which one? The latest one, guys? Jesus. This carefully selected bank of 150 presets has been meticulously programmed and finely tuned to provide a useful palette of FM and wavetable leads for anyone producing psytrance of any kind. I grabbed what I consider the best leads from my more than 7 libraries, vital libraries to date, which total more than 1100 presets. I thought that remastering this category of sounds into only one vital bank would sound like a really good idea for some. I noticed there's more response, more engagement with the videos here on YouTube or Facebook compared to just posting a link with the actual free demo presets, which of course they are also available in the Gumroad link in the video description. But the video gives you a more, I don't know, whole complete idea of the bank. Okay, I got sidetracked a little, but going back to the presets, a good example of are all these presets that have this 16th prefix in their name, which are presets that are meant to be triggered by a fast MIDI sequence so that the note on random modulators work their best and actually self-generate rhythm and filter modulations and more things. So that's a good example. So yeah, the idea of this video is to strictly use just presets in the bank and show you guys how easy it is to add them, to manipulate them, and to just make them part of your song. If you stick around until the end of the video, there will be a short tutorial on how to make one of these nice sounds, nice lead sounds. Let's see. I like a lot this one in particular, the champion lead preset, but it seems I forgot to set a faster MIDI sequence for this one in particular. But I think it's another good sounding lead. We're gonna fix it. Well, okay, now to close the video, we're gonna try to make one of these leads, so we end up in a more tutorial style note. We're gonna control some of these amp envelopes with a sequence on the LFO and some of them with other random modulators such as the note on random or the actual random LFOs. But you'll see that all the rhythm from the sound is quite consistent thanks to the sequence on the LFO. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe because it helps me a lot. And until next time.